Seika! Good day! Oh, we put betadine already, oh. Okay. Seika, good day! Hi, viewers! It's me, Seika. How are you, viewers? Seika, let's read. Let's read. Oh, what's this? The Shipwrecked Man and the Sea. A shipwrecked man was struggling to survive in the cold, cruel sea. The gods were smiling on him, though, for he managed to keep his head above the waves and was washed up on a beach. As soon as he felt his body rest upon the sand, he fell into a deep sleep. When the man finally awoke, he was furious. He stood at the edge of the waves and raged at the sea, which was now as smooth as a mill pond. "How deceitful you are," he raged. "You draw people in by showing your peaceful side. But when you have us in your power, you become cruel and punish us." To his huge surprise, the sea then appeared. No, don't mind it. Appeared before his eyes in the form of a woman and replied, "Don't blame me, O sailor. It's the fault of the winds. By nature I am a calm and safe as the land itself. But the winds buffet me with their gusts and gills and whip me into a monster. Beware of people who are controlled by others." Done reading. How are you, Seika? Seika, I'll face the viewers before we say bye-bye. Oh, you good, baby. Baby. Bye-bye, viewers. See you the next vlog. See you the next vlog. Wow!